Okay, the same question, say second sub question is given, say B question. Here, this question is following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So this is a number line. See, this second question is what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So what is the question? Question is what is the temperature difference? You will find the difference between the hottest place and coldest place among the above. First you have to identify which is the hottest place in this. Here in the given number lines here, low speed here 0 in between this 0. Here numbers are decreasing. Next to 0 is here -1, -2, -3. The numbers are decreasing. Okay, -1 is greater than -2. Okay, here -10 is smaller, lesser than -5. Here in this -5 is greater. -5 is greater than -10. Here -10 is the smaller number. -5 is greater. So in this, see here 0 is smaller number, 5 is greater. Right? In positive integers, the numbers are increasing. Right? In negative integer, numbers are decreasing. Correct? So here +5 is lesser than +10. Correct? 10 is greater. Correct? 10 is greater than +5. +10 is greater than +5. But in negative integer, -5 is greater. -5 is greater than -10. Okay? -5 is greater than -10. Here in positive integer, numbers are increasing, right? See here, you can consider 20. 20 is greater or 15 is greater? 20 is greater, right? But in negative integer, what happens? See here, -5 and -10 if you consider, this -5 is greater, -5 is smaller. Numbers are decreasing, negative integers. You can say -100 and -99. -100 and -99, in this which is greater? -99 is greater. Here, -99 is larger number. Okay, -99 is greater than -100. This is a negative integer. Clear? If you consider positive, so +100 and +99, which is greater? This +100 is greater, correct? But in negative integer, -99 is greater than -100. So this is very important. So now see here, see the number line. See the number line, which is what is the question? You have to find the difference between the hottest and the coldest place. So first you have to identify which is the hottest place in given number line. See here, this which is the hottest place. So see here +22. So that is marked as Bangalore city, right? Here Bangalore city is temperature of Bangalore city is +22 degrees Celsius. Correct? +22 degrees Celsius. That is the hottest place in this given number line, right? So which is the coldest place in this? Coldest place is Laos Spiti. Laos Spiti in this, what is the degree Celsius temperature? That is, see the question, here it is marked Laos Spiti. So that is -8 degrees Celsius. So that is the coldest place. Yeah. So now see -5, next number is -6, right? -6, -7. So here it is -8. So we can say that we have to find the difference between. Difference means you have to subtract, right? So first identify which is the hottest place. So answer we can take the answer like this. Right answer here. See. First to say which is the hottest place. Temperature of the hottest place is Bangalore, right? So Bangalore is marked here. Bangalore +22 degrees Celsius. +22 degrees Celsius. So now see coldest place. So coldest place -8 degrees Celsius. That is Laos Spiti. So that is the coldest place. Coldest place is Laos Spiti. So that temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. Correct? -8 degrees Celsius. It is now. So now we have to find the difference between these two cities. Difference between hottest and coldest place among the above means you will find the difference. Difference means subtraction. You have to subtract this. Therefore, difference is equal to difference is. So first plus 22 degrees Celsius. Plus 22 degrees Celsius minus. Why minus? We are finding difference, right? Suppose if they are asked to find sum, then you have to write a plus. Sum means addition, right? So here they are asked to find difference between them. So difference is a write a minus. So one more. Coldest place is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. So write plus 22 degrees Celsius minus bracket. Inside the bracket you write. So always if you get negative integers, so write in a bracket. Clear? So write like this. Plus 22 degrees Celsius. Write as it is. Plus 22 degrees Celsius. See now. See here, this is very important. See, in between these two signs there is a bracket, right? So minus minus, we cannot write like this. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. This is wrong. So we have to write in the bracket. If you get negative integer, then you must write in the bracket. Clear? So now, so this we cannot write minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we have to write minus into minus 8 degree Celsius. So you know bracket means multiplication, right? So first you have to multiply the sign. So multiply the sign. So this number plus 22 degrees Celsius like as it is. Why you have to multiply? To remove this bracket. To remove this bracket you have to multiply the sign. Clear? So how to remove this bracket? So now multiply minus into minus. This minus is a same question they asked to find difference, right? So you have to write here 22 degrees Celsius minus. Here they asked difference, so write minus. If they asked to find sum, then you have to write here plus. Yeah? So plus 22 degrees Celsius minus. Which one we have to subtract the coldest place? Which is the coldest place? Laos Spiti. The temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. So this minus 8 degrees Celsius must write in the bracket. Clear? So now to simplify, to solve this, you have to remove this bracket. In the next step, you have to remove this bracket. So multiply the sign. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. Clear? Minus into minus plus. Next write plus 8 degree Celsius. Minus into minus plus. Bracket means multiplication, right? So multiply minus into minus plus 8 degree Celsius. Now see the sign. Plus 22 degree Celsius. Plus 22 degree Celsius. Plus 8 degree Celsius. See the sign. Same sign addition. Plus same sign addition. So write add and tell me 22 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. 22 plus 8. Okay? Answer is 30 degree Celsius. So difference between the hottest place and the coldest place is see 30 degree Celsius plus 30 degree Celsius. Clear? Thank you. Okay. See here next sub question. Third one. The question is same. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So now in this third question, this is a question. What is the temperature difference between Laos Spiti and Srinagar? So you have to find the difference between Laos Spiti and the Srinagar. So first you have to consider Laos Spiti temperature is the, you have to write then Srinagar. Clear? So now first write temperature at the Laos Spiti. So what is the temperature at Laos Spiti? You have to see the number line. See the number line. So that Laos Spiti is mentioned here. -5, -6, -7. Next is here -8 degree. Correct? So 8 degree Celsius. So Laos Spiti is marked on -8 degree Celsius, right? So now you can write temperature at Laos Spiti is -8 8 degree Celsius. Minus 8 degree Celsius. Next, so question is difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So Srinagar is a temperature of Srinagar. See, temperature at Srinagar is, see, here is 0. Next is -1, -2. Correct? Here these numbers are negative integers. So write here -1, -2. So write temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius. So now what we have to find? We have to find the difference between. Difference means subtraction. You know, difference means subtraction. Therefore, temperature difference. Therefore, temperature difference is difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So temperature difference. So first write -2 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius minus of 8 degree Celsius. Clear? Minus of -8 degree Celsius means see difference you have to find, right? See, -2 degree Celsius minus, why they asked difference, right? So you write here minus. Then what you have to subtract? You have to subtract -8 degree Celsius. -8 degree Celsius. So now, so first integer write as it is, -2 degree Celsius write as it is. Okay. Now we have to remove this bracket. To solve this, remove this bracket. So what you have to do? You have to multiply. If you get bracket in between these two signs, then you have to multiply. Multiply minus into minus. Minus into minus, that is a plus. Clear? Minus into minus plus, then this number write as it is. Plus 8 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. What is the answer? See the sign. First you have to see the sign. Sign is plus, here minus. So what you have to do? If you get different sign, then you have to subtract. Clear? So 8 minus 2, that is 6 degree Celsius. So greater number is here 8. That sign is plus. Plus 6 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. You will get plus 6 degree Celsius. Correct? So therefore, the difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is plus 6 degree Celsius. Clear? So question is you have to find the difference. So the Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar they mentioned. This be Lahaul Spiti. That temperature you have to mention. First you write the temperature at Lahaul Spiti. That is, see the number line and write. Here it is mentioned, see, -8 degree Celsius. -8 degree. Next, temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar is, here is -2 degree Celsius. Correct? So next you have to find the difference. You have to subtract and see, subtract. Difference, temperature difference is -2 degree Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. -8 degree Celsius. So if you subtract here, -2 degree Celsius right as it is. Next you have to remove this bracket, right? So minus into minus plus, multiply this, multiply the sign. To remove this bracket, you have to multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus 8 degree Celsius. Correct? Now see the sign, plus 8 degree Celsius, -2 degree Celsius. Sign is different, different sign is a subtraction. So 8 degree Celsius minus 2 degree, you get plus 6 degree Celsius. That is the difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. Clear? Thank you. Okay, next questions here. The following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. In this question, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? The question is, can we say the temperature of Shimla, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. If you take temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Temperature at less than the temperature at Shimla. Question mark. Check the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. If you take together, if it is taken together, is it that is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it the temperature of Shimla is lesser than the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla? So that is a question. See one more question. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Two questions are there. First one, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? And one more question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So first we have to answer first question. See, first one is a Srinagar temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together means you have to add temperature of Srinagar and temperature of Shimla. First you have to add. So answer. First write what is the temperature of Srinagar. First we'll see the number line. In this it mentions Srinagar is here. Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. Correct? The temperature of Srinagar is temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. Okay, minus 2 degree Celsius. Similarly, you have to write the temperature at Shimla. So write temperature at Shimla. Temperature at Shimla, that is Shimla is plus 5 degree Celsius. Plus 5 degree Celsius. Now you have to add temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Right? So what is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla? So addition taken together, right? So minus 2 degree Celsius plus 5 degree Celsius. Addition plus 5 degree Celsius. So what is the answer? See, minus 2 degree Celsius plus 5 degree Celsius. In this, see the sign is a different sign. Here it is minus, here it is plus. So different sign means subtraction, right? So plus 5 minus 2. Different sign, subtraction. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is a 3. 5 minus 2 is a 3. Now greater number sign, which is a greater number here. Plus minus 2 or plus 5. Greater number is 5. That sign is a plus. So answer is a plus 3 degree Celsius. Clear? So that is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So taken together means Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. So you have to compare now. So now we get answer plus 3 degree Celsius. That is temperature of Srinagar and temperature of Shimla. Together it is 3 degree Celsius. Now, so what is the temperature of Shimla? Temperature at Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Correct? 5 degree Celsius. Now if you compare plus 5 degree Celsius and plus 3 degree Celsius. So which is greater? Greater is plus 5 degree Celsius. So we can say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. So temperature of Shimla is greater, right? So plus 5. So Srinagar and Shimla, if you add the temperature of both, we will get plus 3 degrees Celsius. But temperature of Shimla is plus 5 degrees Celsius. So which is greater? This is greater. So we can say that temperature of Shimla is greater than the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Clear? Yes. So next, second question. See, one more question is there. That is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So now you have to compare temperature of Srinagar and Shimla and Srinagar. The Srinagar is temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius, right? So Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So then temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, that is plus 3 degrees Celsius. So which is greater? So this is greater, right? Plus 3 degrees Celsius. Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. So therefore we can say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is greater than the temperature at Srinagar. Clear? That is greater than temperature at Srinagar. Clear? The first question understood? First one is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is lesser than the temperature at Shimla. And second question, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is lesser than the temperature at Srinagar. Srinagar temperature is greater. Yeah? So that is the answer to this question. Clear? Yes. Thank you.